Okay, I just want to follow up here. I'll add this on at the end of the video. Now I got this in. There was some corrosion built up in the cast iron I had to knock off, so and then this slipped right in. Problem is, got it down. I don't know if you can see that, but we're not level, which is not surprising on a floor like this, crawl space. Need to come up. So what I do, this is a synthetic door shim. I don't use wood. Pull it up a little bit, slide her under there. Now let's see what we got. See that? Booyah! That's pretty level you're gonna get it. So I use these synthetic door shims. I use those for everything because when I put the commode on, it'll probably be a little need level 2, and so I'll use these. They do make a plastic toilet flange, toilet base shims, but these little black ones, they're door shims. They break easy. That's why they're scored. They're just as good. I put them on the edge, get them in there, snap them off, caulk over them, done. So you also want to make sure you get these lined up. This is where your bolts go. Don't line these up. I try to get the back of them as best I can lined up, because this is where it's going to hold these little slots is what's going to hold your flange bolts. So right there is pretty darn good. Maybe just a little bit more counterclockwise. There we go. Just our shim. That's looking good right there. That'll hold her all day from now on. So now I just need to screw these down. I've got some screws in the truck. Maybe this is pretty solid on this side. I maybe get a couple in the solid wood. If I don't, this will hold it just fine. So anyway, y'all keep that in mind. Donald, DIY, bluecollarddiy.com. We're out. It's a crappy job, but somebody's got to do it. Bing.